Hi friends, how are you today? I am so glad that you're here. It is winter, it is cold outside, and shackets are all the rage. I love a great shirt jacket. I love finding some of these that are bright colors. They're not so drab and dreary. I love some of these. Some of these colors just are terrific. The only thing I don't like about a shacket is the name. I may be showing my age. I don't like all the made up words. But anyway, let's put some really quick outfit ideas together. Let's style some shackets. And because it's colder and this is an extra layering piece, let's take some extra steps. I'm going to give you a few ideas so they don't make us look so bulky and add weight to our look. Since it is winter and these extra pieces that we're adding are bulkier, it's an extra layer. It's meant to keep you warm, right? So automatically it's going to be thicker, it's going to be bulkier. In order that these pieces don't add extra weight to you or to your look, keep your base layer, your top and your bottom, all one color or a dark color like all black or all dark blue. I really like these longer shirt jackets with more of a skinny jean or a straight leg. I want to show you this same jacket with still a dark base, but with a wider leg jean. It doesn't look bad, but what I want to show you is that I want you to play around with the bottoms that you wear with these shirt jackets just to see what's going to give you the best look and especially the best silhouette. Remember that these are going to add bulk. So with these longer shirt jackets, if I wear a wider leg jean, it could end up making me look like a box. Do you know what I mean? Take a look. I definitely like the skinnier jean with this longer jacket, but here's another example with an even longer jacket. I want to point something out. I wore a white sweater, a white hoodie sweater underneath that. So I didn't do the dark base, but because I wore a white sweater, that can give you some waist definition. So if that's an issue for you, if you're not necessarily looking for an overall thinner look, but you want to draw some attention and give you some waist definition, then that could be achieved by this kind of oversized jacket, but a white top. That's what's going to draw attention to that area. So any time that you want to draw attention to something, that's when you could choose a lighter color or a brighter color. When you choose that dark base all the way from top to bottom, that's when it's going to give you an overall thinner, overall taller appearance. So just kind of play around with what you're trying to achieve. The white top with the blue jeans and the yellow jacket doesn't look bad, but it draws attention to the upper half and gives me a little waist definition. So kind of two sides to the same coin, just kind of decide what look you're going for. Now I have a shorter shirt jacket that I want to share with you, another outfit idea and another tip. But before I do that, if you're enjoying this, I would mean the world to me if you would like this video, subscribe, and share this channel with another beautiful lady who's over 40 or over 50. I would appreciate it so much. Let me show you this shorter shirt jacket. If you've been here before, you've seen that short shirt jacket before, or shacket. not even get me started on that. Anyway, the shorter shirt jacket, because it's shorter, kind of puts my behind on display, so keep that in mind. So that is why with the shorter one, I kept that base, the top and the bottom, a very dark color to kind of help me look a little taller and thinner and kind of make my hips look a little bit smaller. So definitely keep that in mind. The shorter is going to keep all that on display. The longer shirt jacket with the dark base is going to give you that taller, thinner look. I hope all of that was helpful. If it was, I hope you'll come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm always sharing more outfit ideas there. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I will see you in the next video.